you just got your Nama J2 juicer and you want to know how to put it together. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to assemble. This is a beautiful investment if you are looking to take your health serious. So for the first step, I like to go ahead and put these together. So in here you'll see a bigger side, okay? This is the bigger wing, it's called a wing. And then over here you have the smaller wing, okay? Simple, right? On here you have the bigger wing, then you have the smaller wing. Simple, okay? So obviously big with the big, small with the small. Pop that puppy in, okay? Nice and snug. All right, now you should be able to just easily drop this in. And that's all. You may need to just push it down a little bit so that it's flush and flat, but that's it. Now you'll see on here, unlock and then a lock, okay? Your handle will be on this side, and then just look right here for a small little notch. Just line up your little notch with the unlock and twist. And that's it. Slap it on the base, and then you have your pulp and your juice. Obviously, you would just plug it in. That's it, you guys. Super simple to put together. So, yeah, Nama J2.